Every December, we return to a familiar ritual, the Christmas tree. Usually green, sometimes artificial, often disposable. But in recent years, a quiet shift has taken root, the rise of the wooden Christmas tree. It is not just a design choice, it is a statement, a way of saying that beauty can be simple, sustainable, and timeless. Wooden trees don't try to imitate nature, they reinterpret it. They take what is essential about the symbol, renewal, warmth, gathering, and express it through craft, texture, and geometry. There is something deeply poetic about crafting a tree from the very material that once grew as one. The grain, the knots, the scent. They remind us of life even as we reshape it. Each board, each plank holds memory of soil, sunlight, and time. When you assemble wood into a tree, you're not replicating nature, you're collaborating with it. It is a gesture of respect, turning what has been harvested into a new kind of life, one that celebrates rather than consumes. A wooden tree pares away the excess. No needles to shed, no waste, no clutter. Just clean lines and natural tones that let light and shadow do the decoration. The simplicity isn't about austerity. It is about focus, about letting texture, craftsmanship, and presence speak for themselves. A few branches cut from reclaimed timber, a single string of warm light, and suddenly you have a centerpiece that feels both modern and ancient. Minimal doesn't mean empty. It means everything that is there matters. Woodwork is a dialogue between hand and material. Unlike plastic or metal, wood resists perfection. It demands care. Each cut, each joint carries intention. So when someone builds a wooden Christmas tree, it is not just decoration, it is participation. It is the act of slowing down, measuring, assembling, bringing back the tactile rituals that this season used to stand for. You don't just own a wooden tree, you make it part of your rhythm. That is what gives it soul. Few materials respond to light like wood does. When candles or fairy lights touch its surface, the glow deepens, soft, golden, organic. It doesn't just reflect, it radiates. That warmth changes the entire mood of the room. It turns brightness into intimacy. Even in a minimalist home, a wooden tree doesn't feel stark. It feels alive. The light rests in its grain like memory resting in time. Wooden trees also speak to a quieter revolution in how we celebrate. They reject the disposable. They invite us to invest in something that lasts, not just physically, but emotionally. Each year, as you take it out again, it carries traces of seasons past, scratches, marks, maybe a new ornament or two. It becomes part of your family's continuity. a living record of holidays experienced, not just displayed. And if it is built from reclaimed wood, its meaning doubles. You're giving second life to something that already had a story, letting that story merge with your own. Wood never hides its flaws. In fact, its imperfections are what makes it beautiful. Grain variations, uneven tone, rough edges, all reminds us that nature doesn't do uniformity. That honesty gives wood their charm. They don't try to be flawless, they try to be real. And that, in many ways, captures the true spirit of Christmas. Warmth over spectacle, authenticity over excess. Another quiet strength of wooden trees is their adaptability. They fit anywhere. Modern apartments, rustic cabins, creative studios, even outdoor patios. Because they're about form and feeling, not foliage. Some fold away, some stack, some stand alone like sculptures. But all of them share one quality. They age well. They gather patina, personality, and presence with each passing year. They are not seasonal ornaments, they're evolving artifacts. So this year, maybe the truest tree isn't the one that tries to mimic the forest, but the one that remembers it. So until next time, happy decorating.